How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro lower front plastic cover. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery from the front of the backrest pad. If there is a black plastic spacer installed on the foot and calf massager mounting post, remove it. Remove the retaining clip by pulling outward on the tongue and then upward. If there is a black plastic spacer installed on the other foot and calf massager mounting post, remove it. Remove the retaining clip by pulling outward on the tongue and then upward. Slide the massager to the left off the mounting post, to the right off the other mounting post, then rest it on the floor. Disconnect the air hose. Press the upper connector release tab, then pull outward to disconnect the connectors. You may need to pry the two connectors apart using a small flathead screwdriver. Press the lower connector release tab, then disconnect the connectors. Move the foot and calf massager out of the way. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 screws that secure the lower front cover, then remove the cover. Now, let's replace it. Slide the lower cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the 5 screws. Finish tightening the screws. Connect both foot and calf massager connectors to the corresponding connectors on the chair. Connect the air hose to the chair, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Slide one of the mounting brackets onto the mounting post. Replace the clip to secure it, making sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Slide the other bracket onto the mounting post. Replace the clip to secure it, making sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Replace the plastic spacer on each side, between the mounting bracket and the side panel. Zip the foot and calf massager upholstery to the front of the backrest pad. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.